Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix missing tasks in your Asana workspace. Many users notice that tasks disappear from projects or lists, and it can be stressful if deadlines are at risk. First, check filters and views. Sometimes tasks are hidden due to applied filters like assignee, due date, or status. Remove filters or switch to all tasks view. Step 1. Search for tasks. Use Asana's search bar and type task names or keywords. Tasks may exist, but appear in a different project or section. Step 2, check project permissions. If you don't have edit or view access, tasks may be invisible. Confirm with the workspace admin. Step 3, check task completion status. Completed tasks may be hidden. Enable show completed tasks to locate them. Step 4, refresh your workspace. Reload the page or app to ensure the latest updates are loaded. Sometimes tasks appear after a refresh. Step 5, check browser cache and cookies. Outdated cache can prevent tasks from displaying. Clearing cache often fixes the issue. Step 6, try a different browser or device. Sometimes the problem is device specific. Switching helps isolate the issue. Finally, contact Asana support if tasks are still missing. Provide workspace details and examples. Support can help recover or locate lost tasks. So yeah, fixing missing tasks in Asana is about checking filters, searching, verifying permissions, showing completed tasks, refreshing workspace, clearing cache, and contacting support. Follow these steps and your tasks should appear correctly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one. Hello, everyone.